Hello, and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics workshop with Dr. Barami KWIC. Today, we will look at how to search for a word in the AntConc version 4.0.11 and present the results in the concordance line format. This function is called Keyword in Context, or KWIC, and it's on the top left of the interface. To search for a word, type the search word in the box right here. Today, we will look at the word interested, and then click Start. Now we see the concordance lines, so the search term is at the center of the screen, making it easier to see which words tend to follow it and which tend to come before it. Please note that the lines are arranged based on how frequent the words co-occur with the search term. Here we can see that interested tends to be followed by the preposition in on the right. This way, you can notice the typical patterns and collocation of the search word more easily. The concordance lines are sorted in 3 levels. The first level is the first word on the right. The second level is the second word on the right, and the third level is the third word on the right. You can make changes by clicking on each drop-down menu here, or you can click on the drop-down menu here to change the sorting option. One thing to note is that there are quite a lot of concordance lines to analyze. At the top of the screen, you will find that interested occurs 85 times. We can reduce the number of lines to make them more manageable in a systematic way. You can click on the Result Set tab here, and you can set the number of concordance lines that the software will randomly select for you. Let's select 10 random lines. Here are the results. That's more manageable. Now, there are some symbols to make the searches more flexible. To give you some examples, you can use the asterisk, like this one, okay? And here asterisk refers to 1 or 0 or more character. For example, if you type interest followed by this asterisk here, okay, you will get the word interest, okay, with nothing, with 0 character, or interested, interest with an S. You can also get interestingly, okay, and also interesting. Another useful symbol is a vertical line like this, okay? And this one indicates alternatives. For example, if you type left, vertical line, and right, like this, you'll get concordance lines that contain the word left or the word right. That's it for this video. I hope you will now be able to search for a word and create concordance lines in AntConc version 4.0.11. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.